Hello students of Standard 10th. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will see how to write complaint letters. Dear students, how many times has it happened that you bought a product and it turned out to be defective? How many times did you avail a public service and were left dissatisfied? Or did you ever notice any problematic practice taking place at a public place? What do you do in such situations? Most of the times, we do not take any action in such situations, because of which the problem doesn't get the attention it deserves and hence negligence increases. So, the best way for this is to write complaint letters to the authorities. Let us see how to write the complaint letters. Let us see what are the topics coming in exam for writing complaint letters: incomplete or defective order, abnormal delay in sending the consignment, the good arrive is in a damaged condition, the goods are not different from what we ordered, quality of goods is not what was ordered, goods are delivered at wrong address, defective packing that might lead to damage of goods in transit, mistakes in a bill or reminders for payment after the bill has been paid, etc. Others, wrongdoing in public, rash driving of the DTC drivers, poor treatment of street dogs, and many others. So, usually letters for complaint are coming on this. As we have already discussed in our previous session the format of writing a formal letter, let us quickly recall it that there is a strict format to follow it. First we have to write the sender's address, then date, then after that receiver's address, subject of the letter, and then comes the salutation. In format, next thing comes, that is the body of the letter, then complimentary closing and sender's name or signature and designation. So this is the format of writing a formal letter. Dear students, let us take one example of writing a letter of complaint. Write a letter to Mrs. Oxford Publishing House, London, complaining that the books sent by them were not those you had ordered for. Ask for replacement. You are Varun Joshi, Sector 20, Chandigarh. First, it will be sender's address. So what you will write, already the address is given. Sector 20, Chandigarh. After that, you will leave one line and you will be writing the date in this format. August 11, 2020. Again, after writing date, you have to leave one line and you have to write the receiver's address. Messrs. Oxford Publishing House, Consumer Complaint Division, London. Then you will be writing the subject after leaving one line. Complaint regarding receipt of wrong set of books. After subject, you will again leave one line and you will write the sir or ma'am as salutation. Then comes the body. On August 1st, 2020, I bought a book set order number 000154 to be delivered to Chandigarh Sector 20. To my dismay, I have not received the set I ordered for and have instead received the wrong book set. I am highly disappointed. To resolve the problem, I would appreciate it if you could replace the wrong book set with the one originally ordered. Please let me know as soon as possible what action you propose to take. I look forward to hearing from you within the next 10 days. Enclosed are copies of the transaction document and the receipt. I look forward to your reply and a resolution to my problem, and will wait until the aforementioned time before seeking help from a consumer protection agency for the Better Business Bureau. Please contact me at the above address or by phone number at so and so. Sincerely, Varun Joshi. What enclosures it is attaching? Copy of receipt and transaction docs. So in this way, dear students, you have to write the complaint. Now dear students, based on our today's session, here are some letters for you to solve. Have a nice day. Thank you.